I was just a small bird, a sparrow living in Germany. My life was simple and full of joy. I used to fly freely under the blue sky, singing every morning without fear. My nest was warm, built with love, high in an old oak tree. But one day, the sky changed. I saw smoke rising, dark clouds covering the sunlight. People were shouting, running, machines roared. The war had begun. My tiny heart trembled. I rushed back towards my nest, flapping my wings desperately. When I reached, everything was gone. My nest was destroyed, the branches burned, my eggs shattered. I cried, but no one could hear a sparrow's tears in the sound of war. I stayed there just for a moment, because even memories were hurting. With a broken heart, I flew away, leaving behind the place I once called home. I crossed mountains, forests, and skies filled with smoke. I finally reached a peaceful land where the air was still safe to breathe. But I will never forget how war destroyed my world. This is not just my story, yeah? This is the story of every small life lost in war.